Well, what I love best about Daniel's credit program is that as an entrepreneur, I didn't understand the importance of building my business credit. I was heavily relying on my personal credit. Through the course, I was able to learn how to build a foundation for my business credit as well as my own personal credit.
The biggest benefit of working with Daniel as far as my credit goes, I saw an increase in the first year of over 100 points. I was able to take out my first car under my name, and I was able to take out credit cards, and I qualified for credit cards that I haven't before in the past.
The biggest benefit of Daniel's credit program is that, you're able to live a better life with better credit, and a lot of people don't give too much importance, of just raising your score. And each little point that you get to raise makes a big difference in the quality of your life.
I will refer Daniel's credit program to everyone, and I already started doing so. It's just, he's so helpful and so thorough. Like I keep saying, it's just, I don't see why not to work and refer to him. He's just so good at what he does.
Any entrepreneur, any business person, anyone thinking of starting a business, you definitely have to reach out to Daniel and his team, because they work miracles, whether it's establishing your credit. So Daniel will help you harness this and help your business grow with fixing and helping you improve your credit.